Good morning, dear students. So we are continuing with the balanced diet. As we finished the source of the food sources, today we are going to start how the food is digested and so on. Here are some key definitions like ingestion when you take the food or drink, and there is two types of digestions like mechanical and chemical, which are one of them is breaking down food into smaller pieces with help of teeth with chewing, and there is a chemical digestion where you break down the large insoluble molecules into small soluble molecules with the help of digestive juice in our stomachs. And there is of course the process of absorption of the nutrients to the blood. There is also assimilation, the movement of digested food molecules into the cells from the body. And the last one is elimination, the passing out of food that wasn't digested or absorbed as feces through the anus. Okay, let's start. First, as you know, by feeding, you involves the food into the mouth. You chew it and swallow it down into the stomach, and this satisfies our hunger. We feel more better after eating some kind of food if we was hunger before that one. But for food to be of any use to the whole body, it has first to be digested at all. This means that the solid food is dissolved and the molecules reduced in the size, in that size till they can be used by our cells. So they're gonna be absorbed to the bloodstream, which carry the blood all around the body cells. So let's continue. Here you can see actually alimentary canal of our body, and the soluble products then they have the absorbed into the body bloodstream and carried by the blood all around the body. In this way, the blood delivers dissolved food into to the living cells in all our body parts, such as muscles, brain, heart, and kidneys, and so on. And so it means it's just how the food passes through all of our body. Of course, first we said we are going to ingest some food. It goes down to our stomach where it stores and digested, starts to digest for the in a small period. And of course in the beginning of small intestine there is happens digestion, and in the middle part of that one there happens absorption of the nutrients, and there is a elimination of the undigested material. So what is alimentary canal actually? Alimentary canal is a tube running through the body, through our body. Food is digested in the alimentary canal. The soluble products are absorbed, and the indigestible residues they are eliminated. A simplified diagram of an alimentary canal you can see by this picture. So let's continue with the alimentary canal. The inside of the alimentary canal is lined with layers of cells, forming what is called as epithelium. That ones are soft and smooth, so the food particles can easily flow through their walls. New cells in the epithelium are being produced all the time to replace the cells worn away by the movement of the food. It means they are renewing every time. There are also cells in the lining that produce mucus. Mucus, guys, it's a kind of liquid that are that are protecting inner walls of our alimentary canal to like prevent self-digestion by the help of mucus lining. our walls of our alimentary canal is protected from cell self-digestion, also from any kind of like injuries, and of course some kind of wear and tear. Mucus may also protect the lining from attack by the digestive enzymes, as I said before, which are released into the alimentary canal. So, some of the digestive enzymes are produced by cells in the lining of the alimentary canal. You can see by the picture, here is the lining of the alimentary canal, and you can see the muscle fibers, and in that alimentary canals you can see the small holes which are producing those digestive glands. So, by digestive glands that are that are outside the alimentary canal, but pour tires enzymes through tubes called ducts, ducts sometimes, into the alimentary canal. Sorry. Here you can see also in the lower picture the salivary glands. The salivary glands, guys, it's the first particle of our digestive system where the actual chemical digestion starts. Once you get the ingested food to your mouth, the saliva will mix with the food, makes it soft, makes it wet, and starts the chemical digestion. Here the peristalsis movement. As you know, our alimentary canal has layers of muscles in its walls, so the fibers of one layer of muscles run around the canal, or you can call that one circular muscle, and the other run along itself, longitudinal muscle. When the circular muscles in one region contract, they make the alimentary canal narrow in that region. A contraction in one region of the alimentary canal is followed by another contraction, as you can see by the this kind of small GIF. How the process of peristalsis motion is made. It makes some kind of small wave contraction, and that passes along the canal, pushing food in front of it. The wave of contraction called as peristalsis. So we have finished with this one. To the next lesson, to the next week, we hope to continue with the particles of this alimentary canal. See you guys, stay healthy.